Hey guys, Debbie here. I'm recording in a different angle today, guys. Um, guys, I'm going to share with you my one of my breakfasts. Today is Sunday, so this is the Get Back and Track collaboration. I'm going to be doing one of my breakfasts, healthy, low in calories, and I am using some onions, as you guys can see here, bell yellow pepper, and couple of pieces of bacon. Well, this is maybe about one. I just chopped it up really fine because I'm going to be making, I don't know what you guys gonna call it, but I show you what I'm doing and you guys could do the same. It's gonna be easy for you guys to hold it and eat it. So I'm just chopping my stuff, and then I'm gonna come back and show you my process. First, of course, I'm going to saute everything, and then I'm gonna continue. And my breakfast is not just gonna be eggs. My breakfast consists of dairy. It's going to consist of fruits, and I have my vegetables, and I will be having my protein, which it comes in the turkey bacon, and also from my dairy. Let me finish here, guys, and I'm gonna come back at you with a little bit of more detail about this collaboration. So I hope you guys are doing okay. All right, guys, I am back. I am using 3 eggs, but only 1 egg yolk. I have the other 2 egg yolks here. I will use that for something else. And I only have 1 egg yolk in here. I'm gonna mix this together well. I'm gonna add some pepper, and for the other spices, like people add salt and pepper, I will be adding Mrs. Dash. So meanwhile, as that is going, like I said, guys, I have my turkey bacon, my onion. I put a small whole onion. I love onions. Onions are very healthy for you for different reasons, guys. I am not a doctor or a nutritionist, but this is something that I have been doing for many years. Consult your physician if you are going to start a regimen diet or a exercise routine. I was gonna bring you guys some exercise today, but I'm just getting over a very bad infection, my ears, my throat, you name it, everything. Guys, I spray my pan with some non-stick spray. You could use any of your choice. So what that is going on there, um, I've been using this one for quite a while. I like it. It has a good flavor. I really recommend it if you like to use tortillas. Um, this is 50 calories per serving, as you guys can see right there. And this is the Extreme Wellness. Here you go. I don't know, you can find it at your local store. It brings 10 of them, and I highly recommend this. This one has 11 grams of dietary fiber, only 50 calories, which, you know, the tortillas, some of them are very high in calories. 4 grams net carbs, made with extra virgin olive oil, zero trans fat, no sugar added, and no hydrogenated oil. Sorry, guys. 100% whole wheat and flax seed. So guys, these are high fiber, spinach and herb. I mean, guys, I love this. And I used to use tortillas. Yes, I used to find some of them that they were like 100 calories. But when I found this one, I have stuck with this one for over a year now, and I love it. So that's the one that I will be using. So guys, as this it cooks down, I'm gonna come right back at you. Oh, and by the way, this is getting back on track with three other lovely ladies. The main host is Anna, the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor. Guys, you need to go and check her out. She has some good content. I mean, she does DIY, home decor, um, and also she does I believe it's on Saturday, I'm not sure. She has the Grace, just go and check out her channel. She talks about God and all this stuff, Bible study. If you want to be part of that, just go and check her out. You will not regret it. And also we had Melissa with Buckeye Girls Home and Lifestyle. She always has some nice recipes. And by the way, Melissa, I have to say that chili looks good. I actually made my own version of chili. And yes, also we have At Home with Lisa. Lisa, she does some beautiful home decor. And she also does the health journey with all of us. And I invite you guys to come and join us. So guys, I'm gonna cook this down, get my eggs ready, and go come back at you and show you my breakfast. And you see how much food I will be having and low in calories, that you will not stay hungry into your next meal. Well guys, here we are cooking our eggs. I'm going to let it sit, guys. You could also use the same um, method of the eggs, and of course you could make quiche. I also do homemade quiche, but to make quiche, I usually do it either 1 or 2 days before, and I usually do it from when my family is coming over for breakfast. So I'm doing my eggs right now. This is what the tortilla looks like. You guys can see all the seeds and everything. I mean, guys, they are delicious. They have a good flavor. It's not like you eating just a piece of vegetable. You don't like to eat raw vegetables, but I recommend them. So guys, now, and of course, I will be using a slice of cheese. With that being said, let's see how this is coming along. This is coming along good. So I'm going to get you guys can see, I have the cheese right there. And then I'm going to come at you and show you what I'm doing. All right, guys, I'm using the same frying pan. I didn't wash it or anything. I just did it right there and the same flavor with the eggs. So I don't know which fast food restaurant this, so I don't know what you guys call it, that you go, you buy a wrap and it's folded in. So I do my own at home because I know what I'm taking into my body. So I am doing my own. I'm just I'm grilling my tortilla. I don't know if it's a quesadilla. No, I don't think it's a quesadilla. I don't know. If you know the name of what I'm talking about, just leave it in the comment, because I know the name, but it doesn't want to come out. My goodness, that gets me upset sometimes when I know what it is, but I can't say it. You know? So turning it So guys, this is basically almost ready. What you see on top is the stuff from the pan, but that's it. So I'm waiting for my cheese to melt. Now we're going to be having some fruit. Guys, when you try to, when you have your meals during the day, it doesn't matter which one do you have. I eat a lot of vegetables. There has not been one vegetable that I do not like. Okay. Um, but try to eat your vegetables and fruits. And if you cannot have sugar for any reason, trying to have natural sugars, which you get it from fruit. Um, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have a slice of this with my dairy. Even though I already have dairy, which is cheese in the sandwich, but I'm going to set my plate and show you what my breakfast look like. And guys, I am not showing you this because I'm doing a video. This is an everyday thing for me. I eat my 3 healthy meals a day. I do my exercise the best that I can to try to stay fit. It's not what you eat, it's how you eat it. How do and what time of the day do you eat it? How fit are you? Um, so let me get this out and let me set my breakfast plate and I will show you what it looks like. All right, guys, here we are on my table. Here I have half a cup of cottage cheese. You could use your choice. I'm actually using the 1% milk fat cottage cheese, low fat, which is 80 calories per half a cup. So I have a half a cup here. I have a slice of what did I say? Mango here, and I have my 3 eggs with my vegetables and my cheese. So I could round this up to, like, the eggs are, let's see, 70, about 175 calories with the eggs. You add 30 calories for the vegetables and 50 calories for the tortilla. And of course you have the avocado, and I have my coffee here with a little bit of milk. And guys, that's my breakfast. That is a very balanced meal and healthy. I mean, sometimes we could go and treat ourselves, but we have to be careful what do we get outside, because it might look small, but you don't know how many calories are you taking in, because a lot of those things have hidden calories. And I'm telling you because I managed a restaurant for 25 years and I worked in a fast food restaurant for 1 year. And in that 1 year, I learned a lot about the fast food restaurants. Um, I'm talking about the one that sells burgers and they have a yellow sign. And also, if you are the type of person that you like to go and eat at the fast food restaurant, you have the right to ask for a calorie sheet. A paper. It tells you all the calories. Just one apple pie from that fast food chain, it contains almost 300 calories. One little apple pie. So you guys gotta know what you eat, because you be like, oh, I didn't eat much, so I don't think I took a lot of calories. You'd be surprised. I was shocked. I was like, oh my goodness. But yeah, you have the right to ask for the calorie count sheet, and it tells you from quarter pounders to you know what, to chicken sandwiches, fish sandwiches. It tells you all the calories that you are intaking. All right, calories, I'm gonna leave it right there. Like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy, and remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys. Bon appetit.